Okay, so the Tabis 9 and the Tabis 9 Ultra, and many of you guys were really looking forward to that release, or scheduled to be released later this year. Of course, Q4 is an important quarter for any company, which includes consumer Christmas spending.
A new historic high and 51.63 trillion South Korean won in operating profit.
But let's look at this realistically. We are probably only looking at an incremental upgrade to the Tabis 8 anyway, as nothing groundbreaking has really leaked so far. But then here we go, a new report has shown that the Tabis 9 and the Tabis 9 Ultra and Tabis 9 Plus, of course, has been delayed and granted. Yes, we had this before. However, this time it is different. It's not just that the tablet sales are decreasing. No, apparently it is due to economic uncertainty. But now look at this. Here is what the measure looks like for the last 3 decades. So you look at this chart here, and starting with the 2008 global financial crisis, followed by the European debt crisis, and then 2020 with the onset of the COVID virus. And now, since recent events in Ukraine, since the invasion, it all has picked up again. And when you look at this chart here, you can see it is consistently going up, especially the last decade. But how does this affect the Tabis 9, Tabis 9 Plus, and Tabis 9 Ultra? The global downturn really is a vicious cycle, if you like. Because of this uncertainty, there is less demand for IT products. However, looking at the forecast of all the tablets and what's going to happen this year, one Samsung tablet will do well, according to the research firms, and that is the Tabis 9 Ultra, because it is a premium tablet and people seem to like that. It seems that Samsung will launch a Tabis 9 series, all of it, Tabis 9, Tabis 9 Plus, and Tabis 9 Ultra in the second half of 2023, together with the Fold 5 and Flip 5 and what have you. So let me know your thoughts. Peace.